run it up, yeah.
I'm talking about, bro. Try to throw them clutch plates in there.
One more time.
YouTube, what's going on, man? Welcome back to another day in the life with your boy 125 baby. Y'all remember like 3 videos back I was working on that Suzuki, the RM125? We got the cases back together, we got some gears back in there, we got new seals, we got new bearings, we got new this, we got new that. So we waiting on one more part to come in for the power valve. We realized on the inside it was cracked. We're gonna get that out of there, clean up that cylinder, all that stuff. But in the meantime, we finna wash up the 125. We about to prep it, get it ready, cause all we gotta do is really close the cases, put the cases together. We back popping, baby. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned in, hit that like, subscribe. Y'all know what to do. I ain't gonna keep telling y'all.
Yeah, yeah, run it up, yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on? Getting them all hit with a little bit of that pressure. We about there, y'all. Guys, I'm a little fast forward. I ain't gonna lie. I got a lot going on. So, yeah, man, we got the crank in there. We got all the gears in there. Everything flowing. Crank nice and in there. So, yeah, man, we got that water pump seal and the bearing on the other side of the course out. So now we finna press it together, man. Got the press ready right there. You know what I'm saying? Been doing my thing. So, y'all stay tapped in, man. I'm fast forwarding for y'all, but I'm still bringing out that Suzuki RM125. Build. This is the dilemma that we on right now. Yes, as you see, we have the case ready to be closed. But as I went to pull it through, the splitter is still good. That part right there, I cannot get the bolt down in order to put it on this part and make it pull through. Ordered a brand new one, and yes, sir, we finna go ahead and bust that open and keep this show going. This power valve right here was definitely toasted. Got the new ones in. We finna go ahead and throw those down there in that chamber.
That be at 8.
You did. That shit tiny. But the RM got the goddamn CDIs over here tucked up in front of that bitch. That boy got all black plastics on him. He got new tires in here. He got, you know, he got a Pro S piston.
Pro and
Y'all know it's real when y'all see the homies over here, boy. Listen, this how we do. We all to support. We all to support each other around here.
I'm just here for the parts.
BRAAP.
Parts, holla at me.
You did. Y'all put us in that cycle special, man. You know what I'm saying? Get at my boy. Abstract Videos on the IG. You did. 250 what I call them. All black on the plastics. Got the sides. All black on that tail. Off with the old. And with the new. I'm talking about, bro. What y'all don't know is this right here turned into the 3rd day and then went to the 7th day overnight. Do not get on my stance right now closing this case on this engine. This is where we at, man. Progress. So you see right there, I just threw that water pump on top of that power valve back there. I had a picture with that power valve, got that in there. So yeah, now we just about to throw that Kickstarter clutch in there. That spindle gear and that water pump gear, crank gear, whatever you want to call it. Now we done put that clutch basket on. We done put that starter gear on, water pump, everything assembled. I just put my torque wrench on it, got it to the right specification. So yeah, man, try to throw them clutch plates in there. Threw all the clutches in there. You know what I'm saying? Start with your friction. Finna throw the springs on top. Finna throw this push rod in here. Ran through that center like that. Then we finna keep this thing pushing, man. I already put in my own shifter rod on the other side. Then gauge this. So yeah. As you see that it's moving. So that means now we shifting. Alright. Alright, now we're going to that top end as you see, man. That stand-up board, 125. First thing we want to do is cover that crank. Now we're gonna go ahead and put that rod right through there like that. Just like that. Slide that bearing on there. Push that through, give it a little, put it down a little bit. Boom, just like that. Piston is on properly. Got them clips in there nice and set. And I'm gonna back that a little bit, but yeah, you can't see that good. But I got them clips in there properly. You see that? That gap right there. Keep it closed side, the open side, opposite. But anyway, yeah. Coming in with them pipes. Yeah, that's that side piece right there.
That bitch ain't gonna fit that.
Yeah, the wrong way. There you go. Boom. So we keeping it rolling, man. Y'all see, I know y'all like, boy, this boy done been on this, man. Man, shut up, man. Y'all been it, man. We working. We got some views, RM, power valve ports. Finally, we can finish the job again. It's back together. So yeah, man, as you see, he also got everything that the power valve would need. Side pieces, down pieces, top pieces, and round pieces. So yeah, man, we're gonna keep this job rolling. Sir, so as you guys see, just like that, we done got the new power valve ports installed, all new hardware installed. I just put the spring in there. I put the tension at +5 spins, and it did feel a little snug. The part that we was missing is right there. So we in the game, man. So yeah, we about to throw that on top of that cylinder. All right, y'all, we gotta make a quick little pit stop. My air pump is broke, man. Gotta run up here to this QT, right? We gotta get these pumps, we gotta get these tools pumped up. Goddamn, big bro, be rough and to back that thing up on, man.
Bruh.
Gonna back that thing up, man. Just need enough in there just to. Deflated that high, they All right, y'all. We in the house. About to go ahead and get this tire on this goddamn rack, man. Enough playing. Time to finish the G.O.B.ski. Guys, it is the next morning. As you see, the sun is up. Yes, it is. And we outside on that car. Had to bust them jets out there, of course. This mud was like loaded with sand, so it wasn't gonna start. Today's mission is to finally get this thing back assembled and kick it. So y'all stay tuned in, man. We're on that roll. So as you see, we got the tires on now. We have the radiators over there, the pipe. Engine sitting right here, excuse me, pup. You was all in the shop. I'm cleaning the car out. So yeah, man, we rested. Go. Guys, quick recap. We done threw the front tire on. As you see, everything snug down into spec. Rear tire is on there. Looking good. Dunlop. We got it cleaned up a bit. As you see right here, we missing that chain guard. So we finna throw the chain guard on there. Had to get that stuck bolt out of there. But yeah, as you see, frame little decent. Little wipe down. It's a little fresh. It ain't too bad. So yeah, we keeping it rolling, man. Hit that like, subscribe. I've been putting in some effort. Please, can you just hit that like? We got the dang seals in that mug. What it do, my boy? My niggas lit. Nigga vibes, we got that. Hey, y'all. So this where we at with it. We got that pipe on there. We didn't do the 304 shorty because that pipe over there was not lining back up. Steady case is closed up. You did. We gotta go get this chain cutter real quick so we can, you did. You know what's going on. But besides that, engine is back on the bike. Everything looking right. Finna throw that engine ice in there. We gotta go get the bolt so we can put the oil in the bottom. It is missing the drain bolt. Yes, sir, we're dropping that gas and get ready. Y'all know what I'm about to say. Olé!
Bruh.
Olé! Nah, we can't hold on right now. We got to break in, you know what I'm saying? But oh shit. That's what I like to hear. Shit sound a little knobby. Go through that first thing, it sounded a little different. I don't know, but yeah. That's E-Cycle 1 right there. Y'all see the man just started. It do sound like a duck is in there though. Yeah, man. I heard it sounding like that before, but it just sound weird to hear it finally like in person, y'all. That boy do sound a little quacky. So yellow seat, yellow on gas tank popping just right to let you know it's Suzuki.
You gotta pop that bitch.
Yeah.
You can't ease off that bitch. Hey, matter.
Is that clutch?
Yeah, that clutch.
Like I said, he got an overstretch cable. We're just gonna adjust it a little bit more. But as you see, he dropping in the gear. He grabbed.
Let me try one more time.
Don't beat that bit, bro. Don't beat it. Just go light. That thing fell and went through them gears.
Yeah, that bitch shift through all the gears.
Yes, sir. Felt a little weak, but you ain't really go into it.
Yeah, that bitch feel like the power.
All right, just did a little adjustment to the power valve. As y'all can see, it is nighttime out there, and yeah, the rebuild is done. It's complete. It's finito. Y'all seen it ran, it cranked up, everything good. But I come to find out that this little valve right here, see this power valve arm, it was getting stuck. So yeah, we done kind of got to the bottom of that. I pulled this off, adjusted this screw back a little bit tighter. It seemed like that had moved a little bit. So I tightened that back down. But yeah, like I said, we found out this cylinder is swapped. So the pipe, of course, is real gappy. So threw a little Yama bond in there. And that little rattling sound I was hearing was this bearing. So it's a brand new bearing in there, but as you see, it's right there. So I don't know, man. It came out. Even though it's pressed in, this one's in. And that one was pressed in too, so. That's the little rattling sound, but yeah, figured it out. But bike running, man, you know, I'm kind of surprised. Cleaned the old car out. It's a 98, so yeah, man, it worked. It did the job. So yeah, as y'all see, man, the RM is complete. What can I say? We took a $500 bike. We got it running. What can you complain? It's a 2-stroke. We're going to get it crispy like this one right here. Don't worry. Yeah, we're going to get it right, just like that YZ. But yeah, man, that's going to be the end of today's video. Y'all stay tuned. Part 3 coming, you did? But until then, hit that like, subscribe. I appreciate all y'all staying tapped in this long, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. RM125. The build is complete. The job is complete.